people, I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video, and guys, today's video is going to be even more awesome because 1K family is here, guys, and I am really happy. I cannot even explain how much happy I am. So all of you guys, thanks for 1K subscriber. But guys, we are just getting started. We are just getting warmed up. It's just the beginning of our journey. We have to reach the top of the mountain, guys, and we are all going to do it together. So thanks for all of your support, guys. Your support has been awesome to me. Your messages what I get from you, all of you, and I love this, guys. And I didn't even think about this when I started making Mafia City videos for fun that I'm going to be at this point. But guys, here we are. That's just beginning, guys. That's just beginning. As I promised to all of you that, guys, I'm going to do a giveaway at 1K subscribers. So guys, the giveaway is here, and we are going to talk about the giveaway, how you can participate later in this video. But right now, guys, just smash that like button and subscribe button, guys, and we are going to talk a little bit about War 2 and a special announcement I'm going to make later in this video. But before all of this, as you all know, it's shout out time, and guys, today's shout out goes to Khalid Abdi, who's writing to me, love your content, man. I always come here when I need help with something. Thanks a lot. So Khalid Abdi, shout out to you, my brother. Keep grinding, keep playing, and you will become a Mafia City god. So guys, want me to give you a shout out like Khalid Abdi? All you need to do is to be a subscriber of this channel, comment in this video, guys, and I'm going to pick up a random comment from this video and give it a shout out. That's how I do in my every video. So if you are new, then make sure to smash that subscribe button, guys. So now, guys, we are going to talk a little about war situation in my city. Then I'm going to tell about the giveaway and a special announcement. So guys, the war situation is being same. Nothing have really changed. FOE clan, guys, is a really experienced clan, so I'm going to say about in war. They know what they are doing, and it's same. Both sides are losing troops. We are losing troops. Anybody from us can go without bubble, they will hit them immediately, and it's same with them too. If they go without bubble, our player, strong player, is going to hit them too. And another thing is, guys, that mere battle is now being continued. Now mere battle has been started, and FOE's clan is trying their best to not let us take mere. They are doing what they are best. We are trying our best to take the center, but the battle is, guys, continuing for, I think, for 2 days, maybe 3 days, and don't know, guys, what will happen. Maybe I think it's going to be like the KSV clan versus Tox clan when the mere battle happened. It's continued for 3 months, so I think it's going to be like this. Let's see if our city will be able to occupy the center for 8 hours and become mayor or not. Right now, guys, the fight is starting. As you can see, a lot of strong people from our city are there, and strong people from their clan are also there. So the mayor battle is now continuing. Both sides are losing troops, and they are really experienced, I'm going to say about this in fighting for sure. But guys, the another thing I noticed the difference between my previous city, I've been a lot of war city, and this city is that I'm going to talk about especially about this clan, that they not just fight a lot, they talk a lot too. If you will just go in city chat, you going to always find somebody from their clan talking nonsense. Because of this, I can say the city chat is really interesting. If you will watch the city chat, you will see, guys, somebody is always there from FOE clan. Not just in city chat, you can find them messaging too, like this one I got from the FOE clan player. As you can see, there you are. You talk a lot of BFF in your Europe video. I guess he's trying to say YouTube, and now you are a hot target. I'm got scared. Remember to film all when your clan dies. I cannot understand how a clan can die. There is nobody dying in any game. It's just a game. Didn't even reply. I'm not the one who's going to talk crap to them. These guys are so much good in talking for sure. So the thing, guys, what I'm going to next will be so now who is next? So that was the war update. The FOE clan is really good in fighting, and our player is trying their best to take the city hall, and they are trying their best to not let us take. So let's see how long it is going to be continue. It's really fun, guys, for now for sure. So that's it with the war update. Now let's talk about the giveaway, guys. The giveaway is, guys, the $5 Mafia City pack of your choice. You can tell me what $5 pack you want, And how you can participate is that, guys, just comment your name in the game and your mention level in this video right now, guys. I'm going to repeat again, guys. Comment your name in game, in this Mafia City game, and your mention level in this YouTube video right now, and I'm going to pick up a random comment, announce the giveaway result 1 week later from today. So that's how I'm going to decide a giveaway winner. And guys, so the another announcement is, guys, that I made a Patreon page where if you love the videos what I'm doing, you can support me there, and it just starts from $1, not so much. And if you want me to support and keep doing what I'm doing, you can support me in that Patreon. And there is another surprise for you there, that I made a Discord server. From there you can join the Discord server. I want to make a biggest Mafia City community outside this game, not the Facebook, not the line chat. I want to make a proper Mafia City server where we can talk about everything what we can, not just Mafia City, anything else, to one player around the world to join that, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So you can join that Discord server too if you just support me with $1. I'm going to give a link in the description of my Patreon. From there you're going to get every knowledge about the Discord server and everything. I want to take this game to the next level, guys. So that was the video, guys. 1K family is here. I'm really happy. Thanks for all of you, all your message and everything. And I'll be back with another awesome Mafia City video, guys, tomorrow. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.